I tend to be a sucker for like reading about other people's routines, reading about other people's apps and workflows and stuff like that. And then I read it and I just think to myself, ooh, I should be doing that. Like this person whose success I admire or seems to have their act together, they're doing this. So maybe I should be doing that too. You read the autobiography of Benjamin Franklin or something, and you're like, oh, I need to structure it this way. Then what I did is I realized eventually, it took a while, that my life is just different than this author or this historical figure or this entrepreneur or whatever. So why would my rise ritual be the same as this other person when my situation is so different? And this is the important thing. And the reason we really want to stress about personalizing your routine is your rise routine should be something that supports your goals and helps you have a good day. And the key word there is it's good to get inspiration from others. It's good to take little ideas, but just because someone else does something doesn't necessarily mean that you need to or that it's even the right thing for you. So when you're building your rise ritual, what we recommend is instead of copying someone else's routine or trying to do all this different stuff, think of it in terms of categories. If you can do something from different categories of activities in a rise ritual, and it doesn't mean you have to do all of them, but some of them, then I'd say you're on your way to having a good day, really.